Flash is a boy, just so you're sure. Alright. Let's draw his head right about here. Flash is kind of a tall, skinny boy. Metabolism's going crazy, apparently. There we go. There's his chin. Right on back up, and he's got those crazy lightning bolt ears, just like that. There we are. Maybe we could draw a couple more up here like that on the other side of his face. He's got a nose here like that. Draw his mask here, just like that. Flash is a smiley guy. He likes to smile, so let's give him a smile. There we go. Alright, I'm going to give him some big old eyes. He's got some nice big eyes here, one there. I'll draw the other one here like that. Okie doke. So eyes here and here. Maybe some eyebrows here, just like that. Looking good. Give him a bit of a highlight there. Alright. Looking good, everyone. Maybe just a little bit of around here like that. Okie doke. Now what we can do is draw his body. So here we go. Here's the neck. Just like that. Maybe we'll put a arm here like this. He could be standing, because if we draw the Flash running, we wouldn't see anything. It'd just be a big blur. Alright. Here we go, down like this. We'll punch his arm up like this here, there. Bring that down like that. Have him maybe waving to us. What do we say? There we go. Thumb. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb. That's 5. There we go. Arm there like that. And he's got those lightning bits again here. Forgot to draw it over here, there. Lightning gloves. Alright. A little bit of standing bits here. Alright, he's got some good shoes here like this. One over here like this. Alrighty. There we go. Give him some sole on his feet there, just like that. And another lightning bit. There we go. Let's not forget the lightning insignia on his chest. That way we know he's the Flash. And a belt. All right, looking good, everybody. Let's get to the color. The Flash has light skin, blue eyes, yellow lightning, and a red suit. Thanks, everyone.